Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the screen. First, power off your HP 16a001ns and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery, if possible, as this will prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. It's essential to keep track of which screws go where, as they can vary in size. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, you should see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the display connector, which is typically a flat cable attached to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable by lifting the connector latch. If you're unsure, refer to your laptop's service manual for guidance. Now, it's time to remove the faulty screen. Look for screws securing the screen to the hinges. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently lift the screen away from the laptop. Be cautious, as the screen may still be connected to the laptop by additional cables. If you find any dust or debris inside the laptop, this is a good opportunity to clean it. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust, ensuring your laptop remains in good condition. Now, take your new screen and align it with the hinges. Carefully connect the display cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is securely attached. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Once the new screen is in place, replace the screws that secure it to the hinges. Make sure everything is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the screen. Re-tack the back panel by aligning it correctly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are all securely fastened. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your laptop at itio. Check to see if the new screen displays correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any commitment. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen on your HP 16a001ns. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we also offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Thank you for following this tutorial, and we hope your laptop is now functioning perfectly. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.